Hi, this is Simon Leon back with GrooveLIVE. If you join us live, give us a hashtag live. If you join us on the replay, give us a hashtag replay. And of course, we're continuing this week with leads contest number 2. Number what? That's right, number 2. And this week, we are focusing on the Inflation Busters ebook. This is something that we talked about last week. It's something that we talked about yesterday as well. If you somehow missed our premiere on the Inflation Busters ebook alongside with the preview that we showed you yesterday, make sure that wherever it is that you're watching us right now, go back and watch the replay, watch our archives, and in the future, turn on your notifications so that you will be notified the next time that we do go live. And of course, if you somehow missed the live session, you want to catch us on the replay, you will see that in the notifications as well. Now, if you want to learn more, of course, watch all of that. But just to share with you, this is the Inflation Busters ebook that we were talking about, and it's live. It's available right now. But today, in addition to just simply sharing with you the information about this ebook itself, I also want to show you more about how you can promote this and earn some affiliate commissions. Do you want to earn more affiliate commissions? If you do, type in yes inside of the comments, because here is the actual ebook, right? It's called Inflation Busters, the 10 life-changing online businesses that you can start today. If you think that this is valuable to you, chances are there are plenty of other people, right, who would also find value in something like this. So what we recommend that you do is that not only should you get this ebook for yourself, but in addition to that, share this with as many people as you can, because I'm sure you agree, sharing is caring, right? Do you agree with that? If you do, type in hashtag sharing is caring inside of the comments. And the way that you share and the way that you care is by going to the official Groove JV page. And as you can see right here, the affiliate contest is still very much going on. $10,000 in prizes for sales for these entire 2.5 weeks. You can see that you still have 9 days and 57 minutes to go before the contest actually ends. And so if this week you also want to be a part of the leads contest as well, you can see Mr. Tom Beal, of course, sharing with you all the information that you need to know about not only this week, but also for the entire contest as well. Make sure that you do watch this video right over here. Also watch the replay of the affiliate contest announcement by Mr. Mike Filsain about a week or so ago. Scroll down just a little bit more and you'll see our launch calendar. And right now we are right smack in the middle of the second week where we are promoting the ebook Online Business Models, which is of course the page that we just saw moments ago. Right here, the ebook is called Inflation Busters. And just to share with you, the Groove team obviously did an amazing job just rushing this out, a high quality piece of content. So make sure that you do download this, get a copy yourself, read it, and then you will see just how valuable it is to share this amongst your network as well. And what better way to share, to care, than to also simultaneously potentially earn some money, earn some commissions in USD at the same time. Do you want to earn USD? If you do, type in USD inside the comments, because when you come to this Groove JV page, as you can see, when you scroll down just a little bit more, okay, we have the promotional tools. And right here, when you click on links, about the second one up, you will see that in addition to, the main websites and the direct response landing pages and the webinars and the webinar replay, you will also see that right over here is the free ebook Inflation Busters special report that you can give away with your affiliate link, which means that by giving this away, by sharing, by providing value to your fellow countrymen and your countrywomen of the world, this means that you still have the potential to be making commissions as well. Is that cool? If you think that's cool, type in cool inside the comments. But we're not just gonna leave you hanging, okay? Just because we have the links over here, the ebook, the Inflation Busters all set up for you, it doesn't mean that that is the last piece of information that we have to update you with here today. Do you want some additional promotional resources? If you do, type in resources inside the comments, because on the exact same page and in the exact same session of the promotional tools, this section right over here, you will see something called swipes, okay, with a little email icon. And so what I want to invite you to do, okay, if you want to promote this and you want to share this, whether via email, via a blog review, via articles or press releases, you want to put this on your thank you pages or logout pages all across social media. The good news is that right when you click over here on where it says swipes, you will see a series of different emails that have already been pre-written for you, again, professionally by the team at Groove. As you can see, not just one, not two, but 3 different emails to be sent this week on the week of August 22nd, which in real time definitely is right now. So this is the entire week that you have to, email this out. 3 different pre-written emails along with multiple subject lines that you can test out if you want to. For example, download amazing new book for online entrepreneurs, as well as new free book for online entrepreneurs, and breaking news book reveals 10 best online businesses, as well as a real inflation buster. Download now. So with that, you can see that in a variety, just like in the Groove old-fashioned way, we have a variety of different formats for you here as well. The first one is formatted, which means there's different colors. You can choose different sizes of your fonts. There might be bolded text on there. There might be italics, all kinds of formatting. The size may be a little bit bigger as well. This is basically your option if you want to send out different emails that is HTML based. Okay, so with that, scroll through a little bit. You'll see all kinds of formatting as well. And of course, right over here, where it says download it here, right? Once you click on that, or anybody clicks on that, it will take them directly to your affiliate link. And of course, for this particular swipe file, once you're logged in inside of your Groove account right here on the Groove JV page, this will be automatically populated with your affiliate link. And this over here will be automatically populated with your name as well. So everything is done for you. You can simply copy and paste this entire thing if you want to. Click right here on the pink button that says copy, or highlight the whole thing, right? Or just, manually highlight everything. Select all. If that works for you, right click and then click on copy, and that's all you got to do, right? So copy and paste that into your Groove Mail or whatever other autoresponder that you use, and you will be able to send this out. Another option, if you don't want to, mess with the potential errors in the formatting, right, is you can actually go right up here on where it says view HTML. You'll see a little toggle button over here, right? So what you want to do, if you want to use the HTML version, is simply turn on this toggle button, and now everything will be coded. You can just simply copy the entire thing, so you don't have to worry about potential errors in the formatting when you copy and paste this into your system, your autoresponder, or whatever else. By clicking in over here to HTML and copying the HTML code, this will get the code directly into your autoresponder exactly as it's supposed to be, so that once it goes back into the regular view, everything should be shown the way that it's supposed to. Is that cool? If that's cool, type in cool inside of the comments. Now, if you're a little bit like me and you don't necessarily want to do, a whole bunch of HTML or formatting, you couldn't care less about the colors or the size of the font and the different kinds of, bold or italics or, anchor links or anything like that. Well, the good news is that when you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see a text view version of the exact same email, which means that there's no HTML, there's no coding, there's no formatting. It's basically just regular text. You can copy and paste this in if you want. The only caveat is right down here, of course. Instead of a nice little download it here or click here now, you will have the entire HTTPS URL right here within the actual email itself. Obviously, if you have your own URL, you have your own custom domain name, you want to set up your own redirect and make this look a little bit better, you have the option, right, to customize how you want this to look when you paste this into your email autoresponder, and make sure, of course, you have your name here intact as well. So that right here is just one of the 3 emails that has been pre-written for you. If you want to check out the second email, which ideally and recommended, right, you can copy and paste this. You can modify it just a little bit. You can model after it if you want to. Don't send all 3 of these emails all on the same day or even consecutively every single day. Ideally, you're watching us in real time, which means that you have more than enough time, right? You have a few days to actually be sending out these emails. So you can send out the first email on day number 1, 24 to 48 hours, you can send out another email, and then 24 to 48 hours, again, send out a third email. That is something that you absolutely can do as well. So as you can see, we got the second email right over here, which is a little bit different. But at the same time, it is a follow-up to the first one, which is to share, of course, with your subscribers exactly what they need to do. And once again, to invite them to download the free ebook. Again, the text version is also available. And if you are so inclined, right here, you can see that the third email on the ebook is also available. So with that, there's a quote from Walt Disney: "There is more treasure in books than in all the pirates loot on the treasure island." So with that, of course, more inspirational quotes and messages inspire and motivate our people as much as we can. And of course, as always, you can use the HTML formatted version if you want to, copy and paste everything in code if you want to, or just simply copy and paste the text view. And with that, of course, there's multiple ways that you can be using and leveraging on all these different kinds of swipe files. The first 3 is designed to share with you, of course, the ebook emails. But as you can see, the webinars that we're promoting, as well as the replay that we promoted last week and also over the weekend, these emails are still right here for you to use. So you can definitely still go back and use them for your emails and send them out into your autoresponder if you want to. Or as we just mentioned, if you want to, use the exact same content and create blog reviews with them, on your own Groove blog. If you want to write articles, right, submit them to article directories or press release directories, or, use them all across social media. Once again, the good news is you can always multi-purpose any of the content that is available for you. And so with that, lots of additional ways for you to be promoting for this particular week, because as we mentioned, of course, week number 2 is all about leads towards the ebook. And if you are in the running for our contest, don't forget that the affiliate contest is, of course, still going on, and over $10,000 USD worth of cash and prizes available to you. If you are, in it to win it, you're going to enter the contest. You're going to, go ahead and spread the word and spread the love. These are all the different prizes that you can potentially stand to win. So definitely check this out on this page. Absolutely nothing to sneeze at, because these are all pretty incredible prizes. And of course, we need all of these as marketers, as potential live streamers, and, video creators, and, just, doing promotions online. All of these things are absolutely useful for you. So once again, come over here to our Groove JV page, check out our calendar. Right now, we're in the middle of the second week where we're promoting this ebook on online business models, as well as inflation busters. But don't forget, scroll all the way up, check out this video by Mr. Tom Beal, and here's the countdown timer that you can see again in real time. 9 days, 0 hours, and 46 minutes from now, the contest will officially end. So highly, highly recommended that you take massive, fast action right now, especially if you are, once again, in it to win it. All right. So with that, on behalf of the entire Groove community and myself, we do, of course, want to thank you and appreciate you for your time, for joining us today on GrooveLIVE, because as always, we have a lot of updates for you, and that's not going to stop, because over the next few days, these updates and potentially some brand new announcements, as well as training, is also going to continue. So make sure that you subscribe to us if you haven't already on YouTube. Like us on Facebook, join our groups on Facebook as well. Follow us all across our social media. We're right now multi-streaming across Twitter and Twitch and LinkedIn as well. Turn on all your notifications so that you don't miss out the next time that we go live with all these amazing updates for you. All right. So until next time, take action right now. Let us know if you have any questions. And as always, we'll see you right back here on GrooveLIVE on the inside.